It is estimated that there are some 60 million eggs consumed in the United States daily. This may be the reason why a lot of Americans are not eating eggs every day. And why there is a shortage of eggs. Eggs are high in fat, cholesterol, and protein. They are considered to be an all-time favorite breakfast food. The purpose of this article is to discuss some of the health benefits of daily eating eggs. It will also cover some tips on how to add some of these benefits to your diet. A diet rich in saturated fats and cholesterol is linked to many health conditions like high blood pressure, heart disease, high cholesterol, and cancer. The reason is because cholesterol is a type of fat that is stored in the arteries. It is thought that eggs can help lower high blood pressure by lowering the level of cholesterol that is already present in the blood. It is also believed that eggs can help lower the cholesterol levels in the blood. It can help prevent heart attacks and strokes. Some of the health benefits of eating eggs include the fact that eggs are good sources of selenium, which is important for fighting off cancer cells. It is also good for skin problems such as acne and eczema. Another reason why people enjoy eating eggs is because of the good amount of B vitamins, which help in lowering bad cholesterol. An egg is a great source of choline, which is another nutrient that can help lower bad cholesterol levels. You can also get lutein from eggs, which is very beneficial for eyesight. For someone who suffers from diabetes, eggs are a great source of protein, which is essential for their body. It can help them control their blood sugar levels and prevent the diseases that diabetes brings with it.